Hey guys, it's Stupid Computer Guy here again, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a new programming language that I'm coming up with. But first, let's talk about why I would come up with a new programming language. So in front of us here, we got a little bit of JavaScript, and I'd heard before that JavaScript has some problems. It's hard to learn, and I look at it and it's pretty confusing. I mean, look, functions start with the word function, and variables start with var. Like, who would do that? So I have a new programming language I'm going to implement. I want to show you guys. So the language is called shit. And so if you want to learn to write in shit, I'm going to give you your first lesson today. So open your shittiest text editor. Actually, this isn't my shittiest one, but I haven't paid for Microsoft Word, so we'll use Notepad. Now, my idea with shit is that every single thing, whether it's a function or a method or a constructor, they're all going to start with the same word. That would be really clear and make things easy for new guys trying to learn the language. So I was thinking we'd start everything with the word everyone, since it's made for everyone. So let's say we want to make a class. So we'll say everyone, and then we'll say not changing, and then we'll say class. That's not how you spell class. Hello world. Oh, caps locks is on. There we go. Hello world. There we go. And this will be my class. And then within it, I'm going to have a method that also starts with the word everyone, because that just makes it really easy to read. And, the word everyone makes you think, hey, this is a method, right? And we'll have not changing again. And then we'll have nothing, because it's fun to just throw the word nothing in. That's always helpful. And then we will have the word main. I don't know why I put this here. And then as opposed to nothing, we'll put something inside the brackets here, or parentheses. And then we'll put some other crap. And there we go. And so this is our main method. And now, we got to tell people, okay, we want to print hello world, right? So how are we going to do that? Well, we need to know what's printing it. Where is it coming from, right? So we're going to start out with universe, and then earth, and then North America. Well, let's do North America, and that's better. System, because it's coming from the system. Out. Print, and then we'll throw some random letters in there too. Hello world. And we should probably have some quotations, because we like to have quotations for strings. And there we go. And everything must end with a semicolon to make life really easy. And let's close that out. And so, well, I'm sure I got some errors in here somewhere, right? And so there we go. We've written our first shit program. And look, I mean, that has got to be the shittiest program we've ever seen. And now if we wanted to make a constructor, it would also start with the word everyone. And we'll have variables declared with the word everyone. And maybe even if statements should just start with the word everyone. So let me know what you think of the new language. It runs kind of slow, but otherwise it seems to be pretty promising. And, like and share. Leave your comments below. Thanks.